So it's Wednesday night. This arrived in the post today. Very excited about this. It's a G4 doorbell. Bought it from Unifi Europe. So I suppose it has a European power supply. Knife's a bit blunt. There we go. So, as one of my friends said, goodbye to all my privacy. No, much less than a ring. Oops. Yeah, G4 doorbell, and that's the size of it. Bigger than I expected. What can I compare it to? This is a Samsung A51. This is a IKEA 3-in-1 power supply. This is an old school Microsoft IntelliMouse, about the same size as that. A bit narrower than the mouse. Yeah, same sort of height. No, much smaller than the mouse. Okay, anyway, it's quite big. I think it's smaller than the ring, which I've seen my neighbours have. But anyway, going fully Unifi Protect. So what's in here? This is some sort of bracket with a spirit level. Oh yeah, that's the bracket for the back of this. Yes, fits like that. You obviously screw that to the door somehow. Let's find the instructions. Hooks on. But anyway, let's see what the instructions say. Oh, it's an angle. I'll have it like that. Some screws. And this is for a doorbell seams. Some spade connectors and some plugs, whatever they are. Gotta look that up. More plugs go into this device. Looks like a sort of Wi-Fi or Bluetooth device or receiver sender. Anyway, I'm sure the instructions will show me. Hey, look at this. I wasn't expecting that. Breaker. No, it's power supply. Looks like a breaker for my consumer unit. Let's see, power in, power out. So 230 volts in, 16 volts out. So it appears. Instructions, perhaps I better read those. And that's it. Empty boxes. Yes, I think I better read the instructions for this, which is on this QR code, I suppose. Scan here to get started. I wonder what this does. Where do I put this? Where's the mains? Five and six, these two. This obviously screws to the wall somehow. There's a chunky looking power supply. Okay, I will report back when I install it. Surely. Thanks for watching.